Well, it's 22nd, 23rd of June, something like that. One of those days, and I'm doing one of those forced diary entries. I think this is good for the soul. It's good for the growth. It's good for humanity. Actually, you make yourself think out loud for a while. So you, and the thing about it is sometimes you come to it with an agenda. You got some point you want to make, and other times you just show up. This is one of the show up days. I'm just showing up. I got no idea. I got no agenda. I don't have any points to make. But we're going to just see what comes out of the depths of the human soul when you just decide to speak. So, what is it that I'm thinking about today? Well, I've had a couple interesting experiences lately. Health stuff. Nothing worthy of mentioning, actually. Until I'm dead. When I'm dead, then I'll talk about it more. Okay? and, and my roommate, because of my cataracts, I got these fucking cataracts that are making me. Whew, can't even read the freeway signs. And I think the ironic thing about the whole thing is, uh, I think his eyesight is worse than mine, but I'm getting him to drive me places. So almost certain fucking death. I mean, we're all gonna die. Just you don't want to contribute to the forces that make you die if you're sensible. It seems like I'm making some big mistakes. Jesus Christ, he's a bad driver. Me too, though. Me too. When your eyesight starts to go. So what else is on my mind? This random diary shit. Boy, I really don't have a bunch to say. It was a nice day. Some dogs walked through our neighborhood. They walked themselves. They were, they didn't even have owners. They just dogs, walking through the neighborhood. That's great when you can. I mean, imagine how lazy you have to be to get your dogs to walk themselves. Man, that's pretty bad. I mean, what the fuck are you doing? It's so important. What are you doing when the dogs are out walking themselves? And these dogs were, what was one of them? German Shepherd. I think one was a German Shepherd, and another one was a Irish Setter, and they were just walking side by side, real coolly, like they were on leashes, but there were no leashes. No leashes. The owner had sent the dogs out to walk on their own. And you gotta wonder, I mean, they looked healthy. They looked like they were well fed. And you gotta wonder what the fuck was the owner doing? They having sex with the maid or something? I don't know. But well, I guess I do have some things to say. What else do I have to say? Oh, not a hell of a lot. Electric cars. Yeah. We almost got run over by an electric car. You couldn't hear it coming. It's like boom. Suddenly it was there. And narrow escape. I mean, they should put motor sounds on, like, the vroom, vroom. Some kind of sounds on the electric car so you know when they're coming. And then somebody's probably thought of that too. What else? Now I'm digging. Now I'm digging. What else? Well, I realized that now I've been living here for how long have I been living here for? A lot, too much. And I haven't masturbated the whole time I've been here, not once. Weird thing. I mean, you lose your testosterone. You no longer feel like you have to spurt shit on the walls. So at night, if you can't get some, the other way. But yeah, no masturbation at all. Man, I mean, it's kind of a depressing environment, really. It's living with a crazy old woman, and hoarder, and she's. And then I'm living with, another guy, Lauren, and poor Lauren, he's got medical issues, and he can barely walk, but he's a good guy. He's sharp. He's witty. He's fun. So it makes up for all the rest of it. And I'm out of here in a couple weeks. She kicked me out. So I'll miss Lauren. I won't miss any of the other shit, though. I won't miss not having a kitchen. I won't miss not having any fucking space in the kitchen. I won't miss not being able to invite friends over when I want to. I won't miss, all the directions on how I should do my laundry, brush my teeth, comb my hair. Oh, what the fuck? I mean, this woman is a nut job. I'm not going to miss any of that shit. So, I guess maybe that's all I got to say today. You can always come up with something, though. I'm not sure. That seems like enough for today. No special topics, major observances of, events going on in the world. Just kind of the little personal, irrelevant details to most people seem important to me, but of course, that's how we create all the people that go out there and create havoc, right? But I'm not. I'm perfectly satisfied to just suffer the details and not pass on the pain. That's all I got to say.